Hi, this is Alexandra Vorbe. I'm excited to show you a for sale by owner today. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautifully updated condo with gorgeous water views in downtown Brickell, Miami. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit the like, subscribe, and share button down below. And remember to hit that notification button. Let's get right to it. Thank you for watching my video. Please remember to hit the notification bell so that you'll be reminded every time I upload a new video.